Islands. Justin planned all of it. The Kimpton SeaFire Resort. We just landed. It was only a 4-hour flight, so that was beautiful. Look at the surprise!
Do you know how many balloons there are?
Probably 40. Dang! Why hey, that's a lot. I didn't realize it. Oh my god! And then my baby's already ate the desserts, but we got some yummy desserts. The macarons.
You can have that one.
That's all good. And then Justin got me some flowers. My did you see that? Did you see that? That's my mom or sunrise.
Whoa!
I didn't touch anything, Mom. Dude, Justin says she be traveling everywhere.
Can I take the chocolate?
Mom, is it you, Mom?
Yeah,
or
grab
sunrise?
it, bud. Grab it. Go ahead.
You can have it. Oh Lord, why are you?
Oh, not licking it. I didn't mean lick
Your
it.
Lula said, "What are you doing?"
Okay.
That's the yuck activity. Ooh, I want some blueberries. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome,
It's so
honey. Happy
beautiful.
birthday.
And
Dang,
everyone's so nice.
I know, everyone's so nice. Dang, these flowers turned out so beautiful.
Dang, 40?
Dang, I know, honey. I mean, we gotta go all out for 40. Come on. We gotta go all out.
And I appreciated that I get to be with my babies because I know we've had a lot of trips
See
without
how
them.
many it takes for me to float.
Yeah, I mean, you're going to be up. We ordered some dinner because we kind of landed kind of late. So we were like, let's just hang out in the room. I unpacked already. No, like for real. Let me show you. Because I don't play. I actually did unpack for the kids, for myself, in the process of doing Justin too.
We're here at the buffet, breakfast time. Jacob got some bacon omelette.
Definitely the best omelet I've ever had.
Best one ever, really.
Is it ham and cheese? Oh, that's it's
Bacon and cheese, yeah. Yummy. Beautiful.
Forgot to show you. We ate some already.
Oh my gosh.
For breakfast.
Dessert for breakfast.
I mean, I was good. I just had fruit. Oh, never mind. I had a croissant. Yeah, but this is good. They gave us frozen grapes. They're so good. We got our lunch. It's good. Boys got a burger and tenders. They want to sit over there.
One might even say SeaFire.
You're so funny. It's so beautiful today. Nice and hot with the breeze. Boys are having the best time. They look so happy. You guys are so cute. This is beautiful. The sun's going down. We got tuna ceviche, octopus for dessert. I mean, not dessert. Appetizer. Good morning, friends. Today we're going on an adventure. I think it's like 45 minutes away, the Crystal Cave. We had breakfast at the restaurant. You can pick buffet or anything off the menu. The kids always like the buffet because then you can get omelets. Oh, and girl, I didn't even show you the other part of the buffet. I didn't even know there was another part. And Justin's like, oh, did you try this? And I was like, no, I didn't see that part. I thought it was just like this little part. I'm sorry. I was hungry that I didn't share it. I developed a really bad, like, all over body rash from just being out in the sun long. It started a few years ago, but it's getting worse and worse as I get older. We're at Roots Cave now. Second cave. This is amazing. This is Lake Cave. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous here. Wow, let's zoom in. Oh, sorry, that was my finger. Wow. Hello, friends. Oh yeah, we're gonna see the mosaic. We're here. We're gonna get dinner. We're gonna go look. We're gonna eat at this place called Agua. Sorry, I'm all over the place. The kids want to see the mosaic. Our taxi driver told us that. Wow, that's what he was talking about. I don't know who told us. Oh, our server yesterday when we went out to dinner, he said you gotta eat at Agua. And then people behind us were like, oh my gosh, Agua's really good. And then we went to the Crystal Cave tour, and the girls there, they had like a girls trip. They were like, oh my gosh, you gotta try Agua. And we were like, we're going there for dinner. So, I mean, of course, we're gonna try Agua. There it is. That place is called Agua. Oh, look, they got Pokemon cards. I like it here. Ooh, they got. Ooh, Jacob started eating bread. This is a miracle for us. This is tuna sashimi and burrata. Got our dinner. Justin's moaning. I mean, we had to get dessert. Ooh, let's look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Justin got so much pistachio. Can you show us?
I swear to God, this is the best pistachio gelato I've ever had.
Wow.
I got chopped nuts on top.
I got this one called stracciatella. I think it's like vanilla with chocolate chips and oh honey, you got vanilla on your arm.
It's that good, I guess. Wow, this is so beautiful here. We're at Camana Bay where the Agua restaurant was at night. Man, it looks so beautiful. This is really, I want to come back to this area.
Yeah, we gotta eat here. We gotta go get some more gelato, like
Yeah, for real.
or the next day.
Yeah, that was like some of the best gelato I've ever had. What do you guys think? Do you like the gelato?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, I had 3 croissants, an omelet, a bunch of fruit. Oh, and I still want more. The croissants were good today.
yeah.
I feel like they were fresher.
Yeah, the croissants were better than the chocolate muffin.
Oh,
You know I
really?
didn't try them yet.
Really?
Even though you didn't try it yet.
Chocolate muffin was better.
It looked
Beautiful day today.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was.
Love it.
We're here at Tilly's. We got oysters and poke for appetizers, and the boys got chicken tenders. Their fries are so good. To show you, oh my goodness, look at. It's so beautiful here. We're eating at Morgan's. We're big back in it. We got drinks again. My virgin pina colada.
Literally everything has a vista? Like every
Yeah,
single place?
it really is. Or all the places people recommended.
Stand by me, and darling, darling, stay by me. Oh, stay by me. Oh, stay. Stand by me, stand by me.
We're here at the Turtle Sanctuary. I think these ones might be injured in here. I'm not sure. These are like smaller. You think these ones are injured or they're just smaller, honey?
Maybe they're just growing up.
Yeah.
Maybe they're the introverts of the crew. I'd like to be in this.
Yeah, because the main one had a lot of. Oh, he's saying hi. Do you see? Wow. I think this is the biggest one I've seen so far. Holy moly! Look at this. Hi, buddy. Wow, that's enormous. Hi. Man, look at how huge this one is, honey. That's crazy. Can you believe how many turtles are here? I've never seen so many turtles in my life. What? Oh yeah, the little bird. See him over there. Look at that. He's hitching a ride. That's so crazy. Whoa.
Hello, friends. The turtle place was awesome. And now we are walking to lunch because it's only like 400. I don't know, 400 feet away. I don't know, 400 something away. And then we're going to take a cab to our fake gelato place. By the way, I didn't mention anything about my spa experience. It was insane. It was amazing. I got a massage and a facial. And the lady was so good. She even gave me a rose quartz to hold on to, and she did some sonic stuff to my face, like the machine that went. Don't know how to describe it. You got your shoes on? I always walk behind the kids just so I make sure, you know. It doesn't matter where we are. I'm gonna walk behind them so I can see them. The walk didn't take long, and we ended up getting our lunch pretty quickly. We're sitting here all together for some shade. Look how pretty it is. We are back, eating our ice cream, making a mess. Thank you, honey. You need a lot too, buddy. We went to a grocery store. Ooh, we got some really interesting stuff. I got Cayman lemonade. Hold on, let me show you. And they even have coconut water. I'm so excited. Pina colada. We got papaya, mango, and pineapple.
No, this is pina colada.
Yeah. When I tell you I ate it.
Whoa.
That
Was that the
papaya was
papaya?
so good.
Dang, are you calling dibs on the... oh, my bad. I
He
didn't know it was
started by
on.
calling dibs on the restroom. Actually, no, I wish it would do that for me, but I have IBS, so I gotta take my Miralax or something tonight. But yeah, we're back in the cab, and we're gonna go back to the resort. We're officially in love with the Cayman Islands, right, honey? We're gonna get an Airbnb one day and stay here again. These are our groceries. It's okay. I ate all the papaya pretty much. I'm getting ready for dinner and I have to hear them yelling.
How did that happen? I was in first.
We're going to dinner. My babies are back there. We're at Calypso for dinner. It's beautiful here. We have dinner early, I noticed, because no one's really around. 5:30 is early, I guess, for everyone, but not us. That's ceviche.
Oh my god, that's so fresh.
Ooh, dang, Liam.
Okay, he's not a chicken tender boy no more. You like it?
Pretty good, right?
Ooh, we're gonna get him into sushi. He just ate ceviche.
Oh my god, she's so good.
Got our dinner.
Perfectly for you, Jake.
And Jacob chose steak today.
This is the first time Jacob's
I
chosen
know. Okay, steak, Mr. Burger.
How's it?
It's so beautiful.
I know, look at that.
If you pull down on what's under anything, then it will most likely not tip over. So.
Okay, show it. Ooh, that was excellent.
You just have when it's total.
Liam literally was trying to put his glass on there. I was like, no, Liam.
No. Not yet.
I applaud you, but
Yeah,
not
but
right
not
now.
at a restaurant. Okay, show me. Oh,
Okay.
let me know. Wow. This sticky toffee pudding is good. You got a cherry, buddy? Yeah? They picked a sundae.
Yeah, dude, this is...
Yummy.
Oh, Mom.
Thank you.
You don't know your own strength, apparently. I don't even know. Okay, we're restarting. Go ahead. That's you, Mommy. Mommy, little lighter touch. Little lighter. Lighter.
I don't understand.
Ooh, okay. Okay, you serve now. Not just looks. Ping pong balls up. The point is to make the ball go forward, not backward.
It likes throwing it back.
You lucky, you cute. All right, let's go. Okay. You got to get it on the table. Oh, whoa. If it's about to go off, you got to let it go, Mama. Okay, here we go.
Hello, friends. We're at the splash pad for a little while. They have nice couches. Girl, I bought some stuff from the grocery store. I just drank my Canadian lemonade. Oh, it was so delicious. And then Justin and I bought our fruit from the grocery store.
is just ridiculous.
One of the hostess from every morning, she was like, I saw you at the grocery store with my husband. And she was like, I didn't know if it was you, but then I saw your kids and then your husband. I was like, yeah, it was you. And I was like, yeah, we went to the grocery store. The boys are swimming. I got me a big old coconut. Have fun. Yes, baby.
Can you pause the timer?
Have fun. Yay, so fun. Hold on tight. That's them. That is fast. Oh yeah, hold on. Have fun, you guys. We are now at this place called Peppers. Our first cab driver told us about it, and we have to try it.
Shrimp and lobster curry, plantain.
We can't forget Justin.
No, not
He got a bunch of jerk and ribs. These are good. Toffee pudding. Boys got brownies to share. It's our last day here. We spent a week here. We took a cab back to Kamana Bay. There's so many restaurants here. And we're gonna go get gelato over there later. You know. This place is called Loco. It's so cute. What is?
The population of Sophia.
2 million.
Mama was the closest.
Ooh!
1.14.
Ooh, okay. We got our food. And we've been quizzing each other on the capitals.
Oh, this is another city.
Oh, really? I want to get this book. I forgot to share. We went back to get our gelato one last time. They ate theirs already. Look at just the big bag expanding as we speak. He got a pistachio when he was so happy. Hello friends, how are you? We're back home. It is 30 degrees, a lot different. But we're happy to be back home. Our flight was delayed by 2 hours. It was fine. I got to stay in the Cayman Islands for 2 more hours. But yeah, that's pretty much our week. We stayed for like 6 days, 7 nights. No, 6 nights, 7 days at the Cayman Islands, and it was incredible. And if you want to see more, I posted way more on the gram, on my stories. It's called Grand Cayman Islands. I'll try and link it for you guys, or I'll just link you my gram. I hope that you follow. It's April Dina 7, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.